Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off the adaptive noise cancellation in Beats Studio 3 headphones, wireless ones. So we got Beat headphones over here. So what you have to do is, obviously when you turn them on, you will see the lights coming on the button, as you can see over here. So that tells us that it's on, and you might have noticed a light here. See, that light tells us that the adaptive noise cancellation is on. So yes, it will drain the battery. You will not get 40 hours of playback time, but you will get around about 20 hours, 20 to 25 hours. So what you have to do is, you simply, the power button, you double click and it goes off. There you go. So now they are working normally. So there's no adaptive noise cancellation on in this mode. To turn it on again, double click and the light comes on over here. That tells you that is on. So again, you double click and it goes off. Okay, so this is the one how you do it through the headphones. But what about when it's connected to your phone and you don't want to take the headphones out of your head and do it that way? So I will show you how can you do on an iPhone. So let's connect that to iPhone here. Okay, so right, let me just turn on. It should automatically connect to my phone. Okay. Right, it's detected. Yeah, that was Beats. So what I'll do, okay, that's on Bluetooth and connected. Right, so they're connected now. So all you have to do is, once it's all connected, you scroll down the widgets, what you call the control panel. On the control panel, you can see there's a volume button which gives you the headphone. That is, there's a Bluetooth headphones connected to it. Now all you have to do is press and hold. It's a 3D touch, and you can see at the bottom, the adaptive noise cancellation is on. It's blue. So all you have to do is turn click, it goes off. That's it. Again, press and hold, 3D touch comes in, click, and it turns on. So now let's see how it goes in real time. Okay, it's blue, and you can see the light over here that is on. I'll press the blue button here now, and light goes off. See, same thing. So again, you double click over here, turn them on. Light comes on, and look at the phone. It comes on again and it becomes blue. Again, I double click and it goes off. So let's try again on the phone. So from the phone, imagine you listen to music and it's on your head. You don't want to take them off, so all you have to do is go down to your iPhone, iOS 13, to the control panel, press and hold the power button. You'll see at the bottom, this option will only come for the headphones which have got adaptive noise cancellation in them. So all you have to do is press this button, light comes on, adaptive noise cancellation is on now. So yeah, that was a simple tip, and to show you about how you can turn on and off adaptive noise cancellation in the wireless headphones. If you have liked the video, you think it was useful, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends and family so they can take advantage of that as well. And meanwhile, stay tuned. We'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.